Climate change mitigation. Biochar is more recalcitrant than organic matter, that is fixed carbon. Therefore, it resides in the soil for much longer than other organic materials, say well over 1000 years. Because of its longer life, biochar is useful to apply to soil for carbon sequestration also. Laboratory studies using the latest technology estimate that biochar has a mean residence time in soil to the order of 1300 to 4000 years. Biochar can store carbon for centuries and even millennia. Application of biochar decreases nitrous oxide, methane and CO2 emissions from the soil through absorption and adsorption, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. NOx emissions have been known to decrease by up to 80%, and methane has been known to be completely suppressed through the use of biochar. The biochar application method is useful for the reduction of greenhouse gases in paddy fields, farmyard manures and compost.